What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful woman who is gonna drink a glass of water, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this dreamy and also beautiful serenity underwater pose. And how to create this photo transformation, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use over here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it with the Google AI Studio. And if you'd like to use another AI platform, then don't worry, because you can create this photo transformation with it. And here I will also share you the prompt. So you can continue to click this Try Nano Banana, and I will upload the file over here, for example this one, and click open. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. Basically the prompt gonna be like this: transform this image into the serene and ethereal underwater scene featuring a person floating just beneath the surface of a clear blue water, and also the person has their eyes gently closed with their head slightly tilted back and long flowing hair fading out around them. And also the sunlit ripples and also the caustic pattern should be visible across their face and the upper body, and also creating the beautiful light effect. And also they are wearing the flowing light color modest outfit, and also that complements the tranquil atmosphere. And also above the person head, or subtly integrated into the composition, are white water lilies and also green lilies pad, suggesting peaceful and also natural aquatic environment. And also small air bubbles here, this one, should gently rise around them, enhancing the underwater feeling. And also the overall mood is one of peace, calm, and natural beauty. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output, guys. Basically this is the same prompt to create the photo transformation. However, you can also have the chance or possibility to have the different look. And if you like the picture, then you can simply download it and it will be officially saved into your device. Isn't that cool and also beautiful, right? So don't forget to try this prompt into your device or into your version, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.